Let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Yeah, under the fridges where I'm saying, ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the bridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah, still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Abion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. March below. Roach gang. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Yeah, under the fridges where I'm saying, ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the bridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah, still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Abion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. March below. Roach gang. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Yeah, under the fridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the bridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah, still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Abion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. My flow, Roach gang, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Yeah, under the fridges, where I'm saying, ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the bridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah, still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Yeah. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Abion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. My flow, Roach gang, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Yeah, under the fridges where I'm saying, ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the bridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah, still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Abion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. My flow, Roach gang, yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Yeah, under the fridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the bridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah, still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Nope. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. March flow, Roach gang, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Under the fridges where I'm saying, ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the fridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Avion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. March flow, Roach gang, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Under the fridges where I'm saying, ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the fridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch, raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Avion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. March flow, Roach gang, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Under the fridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the fridges where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Roach gang, 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 Roach Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch sprayed raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Abion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and ceiling gives me a good feeling. All y'all niggas kneeling, all y'all niggas kneeling. They kicked me out on the ground with a Nike. I don't understand why they don't like me. I told them, bitch, come fight me. Big Roach, still the main G. I'm healthy, don't need surgery. My flow, Roach gang. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Yeah, under the fridge is where I'm saying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, I like crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Under the fridge is where I'm staying. Ooh, bitch, you know I ain't playing. Yeah, I like water with sugar cane. Ooh, nuclear bomb, I don't feel pain. Yeah, I can't fly cause I'm not a plane. Ooh, like to eat crumbs and candy stains. Yeah, Roach gang, 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 Roach gang. Climbing through your air vent. Ooh, I could smell that sugar scent. Yeah, still the best of the insects. Me and my fam like to lay eggs. None of this food be new to me. Eat it up, even if it's ruining. Bitch sprayed raid and add on my family. Fuck raid and Abion's company. Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang, Roach gang. Climbing up your walls and see.
What's going on, gang? We out here. You know we here, we gotta listen to our playlist, do our thing, but before, we gotta read our daily scripture. Of course, new week, new opportunities,
Right.
new chances. Alright. I'm a consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God and me and my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, which is a result of high level performance. I am disciplined, I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts, I am the observer. I focus only on performance, not outcome, ever. I am the greatest trader. Ask and it shall be given to, seek and you shall find, knock and it shall open unto you. I deny error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance. I know I am what I think about. I am just learning. I deserve this life, positive, happy mental every day. I am truly limitless. I am controlling my thoughts more and more each day. I rule my destiny.
Thank you. I am a consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God in me and my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, which is a result of high level performance. I am disciplined. I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts. I am the observer. I focus only on performance, not outcome. I am the greatest trader. I ask and it shall be given to. Seek and it shall be found. Knock and it shall be opened up unto you. I deny error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance. I know I am what I think about. I am just learning. I deserve this life. Positive, happy mental every day. I am truly limitless. I am controlling my thoughts more and more each day. I rule my destiny. And a bonus one, I accept failure as success or as training for success.
That's right.
Yeah. That is right. That is the bonus.
But we're there, we still come back with some sound. Turn back on our mic so we can hear ourselves. Or it could be something different. Maybe. So we got low right here. Man, that bridge you went to, Rudd, was looking crazy.
Which one?
The walk that you did the last few days, man, that was looking crazy. I can't believe. Well, I can, because when I went to the thing called La Piedra in Colombia, so they built all these steps up the rock, and it is made out of stone now, and they did it nice, paved it, and they showed us a picture of what it used to look like, and I said, man, I can't believe people came up here on this. I would have never. There were like holes in the wood. Some of the woods were broken. Some of the woods were missing. And you're like, man, you guys got some balls, huh? Some real balls.
Yeah, so it was till 2015 then it was not restored, and it was only the old path. The old path was built in 1900, and they used it for the workers who had to service the two power plants, because it was much easier to go, let's say, much shorter in time to use this path than walk completely around the mountain,
Right.
which took at that time a long time. So that's why they built the path, so that it was much easier to go from the one plant to the other one. But it was totally not secured at all. So it was just a 1 meter wide path, and there was no railing, or how you call that, something.
Yeah, man, that is crazy.
A rope, which on the side to the mountain, which you could hold to. But yeah, that was quite an experience, and at that time there already many people died when the path was just new.
Yeah, this is
there was
nuts.
also one guy who they told the guide told us the story that in the valley you can see a house there, and there was a man and a woman with 11 children, and he was doing also this power plant servicing.
Yeah.
And he died after 3 years because he made a mistake. So
Man.
So that was it was quite some. It's quite an experience to go on that path. That's I don't think normal people would even think to go there.
Not a chance.
But there's I saw on YouTube a guy coming from Washington who was doing that path without secure, so he was not secured, and he was just running over the path and standing on pillars, looking down 200-300 meters deep, and carrying in one hand his iPhone and in the other hand his Go camera.
Oh man, these people are crazy.
If I can find the video back, you have to watch this guy. This guy is completely crazy, really crazy.
Oh man, he said he has the iPhone in one
I have
hand.
never seen. Okay, you can take risks, but these guys are far beyond risk. They have a death wish. It's not normal.
Right.
But I will look it up. You have to watch this video. Wait a moment. I will find it back.
Alright. Good thing we got in early, huh? This is pretty crap right now. You never know how the market is gonna go, so we take our setup when we see it, right? Because we truly never know. Now when I'm looking back at this thing here, I wonder if this was a range or if this was something like this here.
You know, so right now we have fully do this though?
What?
This, look. Today them just literally
Yeah, bro, you're gonna have nerves. It's good. That means you're focused.
like they say.
You're not gonna be. I don't think. Okay, even professional traders or professional sports people, I don't hear them say they don't get nervous. You know, it's just they learn how to deal with it. Right? I feel like nerve is a good sign. Like, oh, this is something I care about, or you know, this is something I'm fully involved in. It doesn't have to mean you know, bad stuff. Don't ever think we can trade without emotion. We are only learning how to trade with the emotion.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Oh yeah, Dave's listening to you.
Yeah, I'm learning. I'm listening and learning.
Every day, man, I'm just hammering in what I hammer into myself, basically.
Okay, I have to take a call, guys.
Sounds good. Yeah, D, how was your weekend, man? Good?
I'm sorry, you talking to me?
Yeah, I said, how was your weekend? Good?
Yeah, it was nice. We stayed close to home. We did laundry, started packing for this upcoming Thursday when we go to Boston.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing there? Just seeing some people, just going around?
And we're going around. We're renting a car, meeting some friends. We're going to Billy Joel concert.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do quite a road trip.
Dude,
so it's going to be really fun.
It's crazy you big up that guy. I was just talking to my friend. Dude, I am friends with Billy Joel's goddaughter. And I don't, you know, I'm a Jamaican kid, so I have no idea who the hell that was, like, back in the day. So she would always tell me, like, oh, my godfather is performing. Like, you want to come to the concert? I'd be like, nah, I'm good. I don't know anything about that. Then to come to realize the guy is like a legend. I'm like,
right.
You just gotta try some stuff sometimes, even if you don't know. Cause dude, the amount of times she asked me to go, and every time I'd be like, nah, I have no idea. I don't even like his music. I've never listened to that, and then just missing out on opportunity.
Oh man.
Just because we don't know. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, that guy's pretty good. Pretty good vibes.
Yeah, great vibe, dude. So it's gonna be good.
Yeah, man, that should be fun.
Yeah. So the weekend was chill.
That's good, man.
What about you? What'd you do?
Yeah, pretty good. We just hung around, did some studying. I was teaching another kid here from one of my investor friends. I realized people with, you know, the necessary funds, if they find somebody good, they will want you to teach their kid. So I've really been branching out on that. All the people that I'm friends with, they basically have been contacting me like, hey, can you teach my son? Can you teach my daughter? And I'm like, heck yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, and like again, I said, man, I'm just doing this. In the end, it circles back to me. So just sharing the information just helps me. So I feel good about it.
Yeah, that's really good, Terrence. Like you said, teaching it helps it brings it home to you better.
Oh yeah.
And in a way, you're getting paid in your own account.
Exactly.
Not only like with your good trades, but the universe is, you know, you're building up that good energy, man, for yourself. And
I've been reading so much, D, and it's like, you want to receive, find out how to be more of service. How can you be more of service? Be more of service. You will receive. I'm like, okay, I just got to start giving like crazy then.
Yeah. That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, man. Feels good all around, my man. What do we got right now? Okay, see, the uptrend's a little played out. if you even look at this 5 minute, right, without us drawing, you
Yeah.
could see an uptrend with a break and a new high, yeah?
Right.
You just got to be wary of that. Let me zoom back out a little bit. Because maybe this... See how I have so many trend lines here, just trying to see. Because again, we don't know, right? So we got to just see. If this big one, I don't think it's this big one, to be honest. So maybe I remove that. Let's just monitor this blue one and see what happens there. Because we got touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. But now it is failing a bit to get back up to the top. We keep aware of that. So when it was an uptrend, you see the highs going higher, highs going higher. Now the highs not really going so much farther from it, right? Mm-hmm. Now we count from the bottom, because this is the new low. We got 0, 1, 2, new low right here. We got 0, 1, 2, technically. So technically this was a second entry right here. But for our strategy right now, we're sticking to trying to go short under the EMA, right? Mm-hmm. So we have a new extreme here, so that means this little downtrend could be over. We could see some retracement. And from the top here, we have 0. We have first entry long. Nope, no first entry long actually. No first entry at all. This is still just second entry short. Dropping down. See this little yellow box? That means this was a potential trap for the long side. So they definitely trapped them there. Yep. See, that's why you don't really want to jump in, right? The jumping in could get you jumped into a slap. All of a sudden, everything was going great. Then you end up giving into the emotion and getting absolutely creamed.
The RSI and
The RSI?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you see it getting rejected. So I look for RSI at 50, and we also look for it up here around the
48, baby.
the 90, 73 area. So again, that's why I told you, bro. We have things to watch, things to learn, a whole heap of things. This is what you learned so far. Maybe even good, right there. So. All right, you see, downtrend over, right? The extreme. We're expecting reversal. But what can we see? This is first entry short, or technically second. Now we can see this is 1 pullback. This could be a 2.
Yeah.
Do we really want to short in this uptrend right now, though?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Right. You just wait. We just wait, baby. What we doing?
Your favorite rapper,
nigga.
on the pergola, nigga. Come on. Nigga. Right. Couldn't even spell it when he Googled it. How you spell pergola? Zuri, how you spell pergola? Pergola. Like arugula. Hey. Believed in myself, now they believe it too. Even if I was blind, I would see it through. Niggas fixing their glasses like I see it too. Smoke Smoking in pergolas with Tieta. She seen me at my worst, she cheering as I get better. We in the Croc store, I'm talking about get whatever. Of course the nigga cheesing, I'm really getting this cheddar. I'm shipping gold calls, I'm even licking the letter. You feel me? If this was 96, they would've killed me. PSA to NASDAQ, it's a new stock in town. Tetris with the neighborhood, I turn the whole block around. We ain't got a...
Oh yeah. Yeah, D, so we got some news. Some more news coming up at in 40 minutes and 11:30.
Okay.
So got a little bit of time. Manufacturing PMI has gone down, so that's bad. A couple bad stuff has been happening, honestly. This is second entry long. Just got absolutely wiped out. What is going on here? Zoom back out. We have had a bit of an uptrend. Okay, there it goes. Because it just got wiped out for a second, but now it's pretty strong. No, man, it's getting killed. It is getting murked. This second entry long just got murdered. Where's the 1 minute chart? But we're still above the EMA, which we don't like. We do not like that at all. Just sit out of this one.
Front, we making millions from the backyard. We been killing them softly, they still trying to act hard. I don't need the industry need me. They worry about followers, how they gon' leave me? Crazy how I look now, finna retire pops, he just make merch and cook now. Turn down Revolt deal, turn down the Rock tool. Sold 1 million gold cards, sold 1 million stock tools. Looking in the mirror thinking, damn, what would Pop do? Man, what would Hope do? Man, what would Pops do? We ain't had to stage it, we built our own stages. I got niggas flying to the D like it's Vegas. They been popping Percocets, I've been building pergolas. They gon' have to Google it, they ain't never heard of one. I've been playing Monopoly, collect when they land on my property. I don't see nobody stopping me. I've been splitting pie up like 1.57. They not even in my radius. Call from Hovain, he telling me I'm the greatest. You already late it, you need to know the latest. DM from your bitch, she telling me I'm her favorite. Your album just dropped. Kept that shit 100 till I turned blue. The fire look cool till it burn you. The industry have fooled you all. These niggas ain't big, boy, they clothes just small. Me and Yaya planning on investing in a school. Coulda went private, but then we all lose. I'm so far away, it's hard to tell who's the fools. You can use your sword as a weapon or a tool. Ran a year straight and I'm still in the zone. I don't even wear cape, bitch, I'm a hero at home. Ah! Fuck double XL.
We is arranging.
Yeah!
Did we took
Meetings
the
on the
call? That's
24th
right.
floor, they looking through glass doors. Told them what I was building, they nodded and said for sure. Thought it was for sure, you should've offered me more. Ruined the rapport, you niggas getting ignored. 1 + 3, they don't even call it 4. 10K advance, I throw that shit on the floor. Are you stupid? Dumb and dumber, but even dumber. Been running shit for 3 summers. Look at the numbers. I really did this shit indie. I mean you pindy. They think I'm worth 100 Benjis. That shit offend me. Nigga, what is that, a stimmy? Even did a 60-40, that make it sweeter. If this how you do your dog, then I'm calling Peter. Pop say it's just business. Who business? If they can't see what I'm worth, how can I do business? Stress called and had to laugh. This shit a joke. Why would I ever sign a deal just to still be broke? I lost all my little hope. All my respect could never be a big deal. With a little check, I can't lie, I'm in my feelings. Just a little upset. We spent years building value. I barely slept, I said tears right verses. I really wept, I really made it out for Vallejo. I never left, bitch, I'm trying to put the turf on. Started the wave, nigga.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at this. Look at this second entry short failure right here. See? Second entry.
Yeah, that was a short failure. Now it's going back up.
Yeah. They copped us. And that's why we stayed below the EMA, right, my boy?
I was considering taking that.
Yeah, me too. But then I've seen, if you look from about, let's say 943, we've been making higher lows, higher highs,
Yeah.
higher lows.
And we're still fighting. It still hasn't proven any direction yet.
Right, exactly. It's literally going back and forth. If you kind of look at this top, it's kind of a range.
There-
The top of the range is 79. Let's see if they could break that now.
Yeah. Yeah, they just did 81.
Right.
If they can keep it going though.
That looks like it was the open or something before. The green line.
They're probably gonna keep going up.
Yeah. So this was the close
There it goes.
slash open from before. Oh, so what they did, they came back and filled this gap. There was a gap from last night, and they literally
Just a moment.
back.
I'll be back.
That sounds good. They literally came back and filled that gap.
Nigga surf on, ran up, you play with my merch on. I kill everything, I put a fucking verse on. I'm in my bag while these niggas got a purse on. Guess it's the outro. It feel better when they doubt, bro. Could've made it with them, we rather make it without them. You know what the fuck, dog?
Real dog.
Real dog.
You know what the fuck, go?
There's water in my cup, by the way.
There's water in my cup, by the way.
Hey, these shirts, you're in good company. B4L collab, dropping tomorrow.
It's not the
fucking
same.
The only one. It's different. Alright, told you.
Yeah. LA
All right,
Lakers,
back.
just incredible DJ.
That was quite a
Sour.
nice little upward push.
Yeah, right off that little trap there.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Now where?
Right.
Now where do you want to go?
Right.
I always want to do the Wayne Gretzky. I want to go. I want to be able to see where the puck's gonna go,
Right.
not where it's at. Where do you want to go,
Tell us.
my little friend? Where do you want to go? I think you want to go up.
Tell us, you heathens.
No, I think it's going up.
It shall be given. Whoa, man, we forget to me a Spider-Man. Can't reveal the identity. Me come here with the damn mask up to work sign.
Yeah, I do it all the time, and it's so funny. You see me like back up and run away. All right. Well, the VIX is down 4%. So yeah, looking like an uptrend to me.
You gonna take it?
No. I have no setup here. I'm just saying. The
Yeah.
VIX is down, so price more than likely will be moving up. I'm gonna shift over now.
What's that website again for the VIX? Can you put it in WhatsApp, please?
Yeah, I got you. I got you right now, man.
All right. Google VIX. Okay. So I see. Where does it say the VIX? Is it simply?
Yeah, so when you
Oh,
click.
now I see the VIX.
Yeah,
VIX
scroll
is
down a
minus
little.
4.52, 4.59.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Awesome. I think I already bookmarked this.
Yeah, man, save this bad boy.
So that's what you're looking at. The VIX
Yeah,
is
just-
down, which means it's going to be an uptrend.
Right, it's basically like an inverse. Who knows why? We don't know nothing. So, but I know every time I've looked at it, and it's a good trending day, this thing, 100% is spot on.
Yeah.
It cannot
Where
do the
you
same
learned this
thing.
from?
Just videos I've been watching on YouTube, man, over the weekends.
Yeah.
Yeah, this guy's always looking at the VIX. This guy called, I think his name is Ron Walker or something.
Yeah.
And he does like a big review of the whole entire market almost every day.
Yeah.
And I just watch him. He's always using the VIX, so I'm like, okay. this is clearly something. This guy's been doing this for 40 plus years.
Oh, really?
Right, yeah, man. He's been doing this for a while. Dude, and he trades like on the monthly charts and on the yearly charts. So you know his predictions are usually pretty good.
Wow, he's really a swing trader then, long-term trader.
Yeah, exactly. So you know his guesses, they don't have to be right, but they're a little bit more accurate than probably me and yours going intraday, right?
Yeah, we're so
He's long term,
incremental.
right? You see what's so tricky right now about this market? The uptrends are so fake. So it's like so sketch. Like, alright, you think like it's an uptrend right now, right? We get in. Okay, all good. And then boom. Like boom, the sellers just choose like this is the target we've been waiting for. Here we go. Murder them. I just don't trust any uptrend right now. Worse than I'm a short seller, but it's so hard for me to trust the uptrend. It's the only trade we've seen so far. But look at this, you got a shooting star that got faked out, then you got a trap. Not really a good trade to take, right? True. Let's go, Matty Boy just made 365.
Oh wow, it's coming right up to an area of confluence from last week right now. So it's just now getting into it.
Let's look at this weekly chart.
So let's see what you're gonna do here.
Yeah.
I think it could press up through a couple of these areas.
Weekly level. Yeah. Are you looking at about 232?
To do what?
Is that the area you're talking about?
I'm looking at, let me see. Starting at 208, which it's already into it, up through like 250, 260.
Right, to see what happens here
Is
where
this
they wait.
area of confluence or that I've had charted on my hour chart.
Such a good day. Such a good day. That's a Pennsylvania part. I don't know. I'm not really down for all the snow. I just want the 60s. Like, I'm down for like the 40s for like some jeans and a jacket or something. But the 50s and 60s where I can technically get away with like shorts and a hoodie or shorts and a long sleeve is my happy place. I love long sleeve and shorts. Or a hoodie with sweatpants, I gotta stay with it. Such good weather. Balls in the air, yeah. The problem is that with Texas, historically, and
Look, I still think I shot it at him big old dirty uptrend started from 5:15 a.m. and we were still taking shorts. You know, you can make money both ways. It's just about the right timing.
Timing.
Yeah, man. I'm looking. All we took today, D, were shorts, and it's literally been an uptrend since 5 this morning. So
Yeah.
it's just
So you timed those shorts perfectly.
right. That's what I'm like. Okay, good stuff. You gotta take them when you see them, cause that's it.
the weather always is like, here's a tease of what's coming, but we have to melt it
Yeah.
one more time in the middle of October.
All right. So we got double bottom, first entry, second entry.
Yeah, still rejecting value area high. Might be a little rotation to the downside, actually. Kind of makes sense. Nice little rip
what I like to hear, Matty boy. You thinking the same as me?
Might be doing a little
Yeah, that's what my chart looks like.
Alright, hold on. Right. Yep, coming right back in this area. So we want to see if they just get slapped. Because this push right here was very aggressive. What I always think about when I see a push either to the up or down side, how fast is it? Huh? No, what time frame is this, D?
1 hour.
1 hour. So, this is, yeah, but you don't know. You can't say that though. You must find out. I could show you this right here and tell you this is the hour. You wouldn't know, would you?
That's how look basic.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, as I said, you gotta make sure the time frame. I always look, okay, this part right here was very fast. They just dropped it. Now they retrace. Maybe they left some sellers behind, or they're gonna take out these stops. Obviously, we always have two, right? So that's my thing I'm looking at right here.
Yeah.
So let's just sit tight.
They stalled out right here. It's stalling.
I'm looking for
So-
another big push up, be some exhaustion, and then drop that bad boy.
There's no PDT rule like there is in stocks. There's tax incentives to trade futures or stocks.
Damn, man, we forgot our timer.
What do you mean?
These are open to
Every time I take a trade, I would like to start a timer first.
Oh, yeah.
I just forgot that today.
I've never seen a point in a tick. A tick is one increment move. So I'll go the ES
Telling you,
now.
man, building myself like a robot.
A point is from 70 to 71. It's a $1 move.
Oh man, some exciting news for you and
Ticks,
Laura D. You see
25 cents.
Tesla dropping that Tesla bot.
What's a Tesla bot?
Oh, you haven't seen the robot that they just released?
No.
Yeah, man, they just put out a robot.
Let me see.
Yeah, man, that's gonna be some good stuff for you guys, stock market. Always tell a lot of people, Tesla is not a car company. They are a tech company who is dominating the car industry. That's very dangerous. Like, they're not even supposed to be making this.
But still the knowledge.
Right.
And I pass it.
And passing everybody, man. It's crazy.
But in a dominate the argument,
Oh, easily. You gotta think, man, Tesla's the first car that drove by itself that mankind has seen. Everybody's like, oh shit. It's like, like other companies can say like, oh yeah, we've had this already, but you didn't put it out though. Right, you didn't do anything with it.
Paper trading is just like simulated trading. It's trading without real money on the line. So you lose some of those emotions and stuff like that, but you also are able to understand kind of the inner workings of how trading works and how much money you need, how much drawdown you can stomach, etc. Paper funded independent
there's just nobody now they really pass Tesla for now.
in a nutshell.
No, bro. They can try all they want.
Not for now.
Mm-mm.
That is the blueprint. Paper funded independent.
There we go. Go hit that 230 and get slapped. I need some beats.
Yeah.
Bill?
Yes, sir.
Get
Yo, we got
complacent
a
just listening to
full
music, bro.
studio.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be a special one. Our brother the Russell's here from the Bay Area.
Yeah.
The most talked about right now, man. It's an honor to have you on the LA Nika
Come
Freestyle
on.
Series.
Come on, just incredible. I'm honored.
Yeah.
I appreciate you,
Yeah.
DJ
Yeah.
South.
Yeah.
I'm honored.
Come on.
We're about to go crazy for y'all, man.
Oh my God.
These
Do
is
your
life
thing, my
hands.
brother.
Just stop
Talk
calling
to
them
the people.
songs. These is life
My
hands.
niggas came
Listen
out
to what
with
the
me.
man said
Yeah.
all the time, man.
Yeah.
Man said, "By that foolishness here."
Let's do it.
It was all for the better.
Really.
This puzzle till it all came together out the dirt, bitch. That's where you find treasure. You know how I feel, dog. I've been a star since I was little dog. What's a pit bull to a wolf? I'm a real dog. Keeping niggas hopes
You a
up.
real
Working
dog.
in the scene, don't post up. These niggas talking about art,
Even
I'm
that,
giving
yeah,
life
it does,
gems.
yeah,
I should
that.
stop calling them songs.
So
These
it's
is
a
life
simple
hymns.
to a
I'm
walk.
just getting
I'm
warmed
nice
up.
and
Had to start the
I'm a
call,
real
niggas.
dog.
Bench press and lift the ball, niggas. 400 years depressed, it was hard on niggas. Blackjack, couldn't wait to flip the card on niggas.
That
Who
shit
need a
is
label
hard.
now? I
Hey.
kicked off since I was little dog. Wasn't with me.
Yeah.
Niggas in
Yeah.
it.
Let's do it.
Whoa.
It was all for the better. Was puzzled till it all came together out the dirt. Bitch, that's where you find treasure. You know how I feel, dog. I've been a star since I was little dog. Was a pit bull to a wolf. I'm a real dog.
I was just at this high.
Keeping niggas
Still
hopes
higher
up.
than this.
Working lead the
Way
scene, I don't
past
post
this.
up. These niggas talking about
So
art,
I'm
I'm
saying-
giving life gems. I should stop calling them songs. These is life hymns. I'm just getting warmed up. Had to start to call niggas.
But still I watch it
Bench
though.
press and lift the ball, niggas. 400 years depressed, it was hard on niggas. Blackjack, couldn't wait to flip the card on niggas. Who need a label now? I came with the fire stick, who need cable now? Built the whole goddamn kitchen, who need a table now? Or guess the horses out the stable now.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
It's the change of a legacy. Turn the blind eye to the shit I thought I'd never see. Crazy how I'm everything they tell you you can never be. Probably cause it's hard to ever be what you never see. Do you hear me?
I hear you, bro.
Black man, better stand tall and keep your chin up. Black man, lead by demonstration, lift your friends up. Black man, move from the heart and get your mind right. Black man, made lemonade.
The Vic is,
turn
the
the
Vic-
execution to a
Vic,
revolution.
that's what it is. It's it's increasing
Mm-hmm.
while it's going down. So this seems like it's setting up for a further uptrend.
Right.
Yeah,
Exactly. Just keep watching it. I'm watching for this thing to touch the EMA at about 90. See if we got a break. We're already at a break and a new extreme, basically.
So you're looking at 90 to take a long?
Yeah, if it comes back down, I want to see. You know, I always wait to see what occurs. So right now, yeah, 90's looking good. Back where the previous high was. So the last high they made was at 79, basically 83. So I want to see what happens there. We got another second entry short above the EMA about to happen. You gonna say prisoner? Him dangerous? Why him there?
We don't want your pity,
I'm
we
just saying,
want
nah, I got this,
retribution. We don't need excuses, we need new
you know, I'm
solutions.
I'm saying, nah,
Split the pie with my
everything
niggas,
is
split the pie
hospital
with the
business.
fans, split the pie with my
the
pop.
TNT.
Still have pie in the
Ah,
pan.
with the
Shit, I would
TNT.
get you fired, but I got pie in my.
They just
Way to
use
fuck the game up. They stop when
you kill wada inja tu cripple tree. What's it? Cripple tree?
when the elevator broke, we still came up. Know how many people told me no, we ain't changed up. Justin, who else is talking like this on here? Come on, man, I stuck to the code. I kept digging and struck gold. This is the greatest story ever told. I stuck to the code, kept on digging and struck gold. Shout out to all my niggas that used to wear tall tees. Only real niggas know. I came up on bootlegs and scrapers, sweets, backwoods and papers. Back when Kobe wore 8 up on the Lakers.
Hold on, my daddy was outside getting,
paper.
yes sir.
I ain't respond to your shit 'cause you a hater. Bye. See you later. You got a 3-piece suit with the gators. Really took the stairs, I ain't
in
even.
the elevator.
My daddy was a hustler, my mama was a G. They had a real nigga, now you listening to me. I was trying to chill,
Yeah,
I was trying to sleep. Then Tope sent me this fucking ass beat. Hopped on my bed, hopped in my bed, hopped in that booth,
Hold on.
turned on my swag,
Yeah.
hopped out that booth, hopped back in bed,
Slept for a bit and got back to the bread.
Here it's coming. Coming to make a little touch.
Yep, monitoring this right here. I got a little range working sideways as well. Bottom is right where this is right now. EMA is coming up to touch it.
Sit down with terms sometimes the way they are.
I wish it was. I wish I could be like, oh, you just have to sit for 2 years. You have to enjoy the suck for 2 years.
Wait, you said you have work today?
I mean, you're gonna become a
Oh, good stuff.
Look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting paper. Y'all ready? What? Look at me now. I'm getting paper.
Is that in my neck? No, I'm just doing it. I'm just gonna edit it.
Paper.
I just snagged a really quick long.
There you go. That was pretty dope. Right off that failure. Yo, you're not in it anymore?
No,
Oh, man.
I profited out.
I feel like you should have trailed this bad boy because they just trapped some shorts.
Yeah.
Good. All right. See, he watches the other one I'm telling you about that you should trade as well. See, I'm gonna be watching the NASDAQ and the ES. You're gonna watch the ES and the NASDAQ. See the difference? The NASDAQ is my priority. The ES is your priority. Because what I've done and watching research, that is basically kind of like hedging, right? Because one of them leads the way. The trick is to see which one's leading the way each day. Right? Like today, you can see the NASDAQ is kind of leading the way.
And then tomorrow you can see like it.
The ES leading the way, yeah. So we kind of have to watch both.
And that's what they are saying.
Right.
Even though.
Yeah, Matt just took a short right here. I don't know about that one, bro. But all right. Maybe fake.
Matt
break
took
out
a
of the-
short?
Yeah. Maybe fake break out of the range. Yeah. This is
No,
tough.
I see he could snag something. I see some oversold. I mean overbought.
Yeah. I just
But
see.
I don't know how.
I just see the 1 hour, man. It's getting very aggressive. It's 14 minutes left, and it's so even the 1 minute is hitting the top of the band. Okay, I could see that. Just touched the top of the range. So yeah, this thing's got to fall for my man right here. 208. Not being able to really push too far out the range. Yeah, I can see why he took this short.
Hey, can you please put the YouTube channel you watch for Matt in WhatsApp?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Of course.
A message from Fireball.
Come live at home for
I'm gonna send you this other guy as well called Ron Walker.
Okay.
That's the guy I watch every day. He literally does a full review of the market. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, even today, he's like, there's extreme fear in the market. Just be wary. Oh man, that's tough. They literally just came back, checked this dude's entry, and then just exploded out of there. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. We have news.
It hasn't really exploded up. I don't see where you said it exploded up.
Oh well, on my 2K chart. Well, I'm watching. I'm seeing his entries at about 208. What I mean by explosion is I would already got stopped out.
Oh,
his entry
I
is
see,
208. This thing's at 28, about to be 30. That's an explosion for these little accounts.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So I just look at it like that. That's why I don't really copy these guys. I just want to see what's how the market's looking like.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I've also started to upload courses on my YouTube channel that I'm just teaching my brother. It's pretty dope.
Oh, really? So you're making instructional videos and
Yeah.
uploading them to your channel?
Yep, for my full strategy. I'm doing overviews right now. I'm going to keep breaking down the overview until I get that right, and then I'm gonna now then breaking into sections, piece by piece. Yeah, it's pretty
Can
good.
I watch them? Can you send me the link and I'll watch them too?
Yeah, man, they're all up here. I started doing it like 4 days ago, dude, and I got 100 views. So it's pretty good. It might be the way to go, on these channels, because again, it will help me.
Yeah.
Let me send you this. Send you the playlist. That's gambling. Always remember that. You don't take no trade.
1 minute lot time. It's fine, that's your range, obviously.
And yeah, dude. Yeah, D, I didn't get to start freaking reading as yet. Like I told you, I was just with the fam this weekend. But don't worry, dude, I didn't forget.
Okay. Yeah,
The
no
second I
worries.
start reading.
I keep rereading the book and editing it some more. So
Okay.
it's not totally in its final form.
Right. Dude, it's
But,
just amazing you're writing a book, dude. That you can now sell as, remember that lady we've been watching for the digital product? Dude, you can sell that anytime, every day. If you want
Yeah.
to, from anywhere.
That's the goal.
So,
is to
in
sell
the,
it.
in the future, I think I'm going to develop a psychology book for trading.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I'm going to start doing the courses and then work on the psychological courses as well. Because, man, like I see it from my brother and the people I teach, right? They can learn, like, especially my strategy, you can learn my strategy in a week or 2 weeks. Literally 5 days if you put your time in. That's not the hard part. The part is now you know the strategy. Your mental needs to accept the random outcome and how you shift your mind from the always know, the mind that always wants to know what's going on. Basically, you have to not delete it, but save that file right there. Know that you're not going to use that file for what's going on. That's literally what I see trading as. If you're able to just switch your mind and switch it to that probabilistic, that is trading. I don't see nothing else. Dude, me and you could press the sell or buy button right now and get lucky and win a trade.
Exactly.
Literally.
Totally.
We can
As
just
long as
close
your
our
stop
eyes.
loss can handle it.
Right. We could close our eyes and see what happens right here. So it's not about that, right? It's just about the mental.
Mm-hmm.
And I see these bastards, they don't tell you this, that they're trying to sell you a course. You can spend $2,000 on the course, man, and you're just not ready.
Yeah.
Because they're not giving you the right tools. I'm just going to give people the right tools that I see work personally for me for free. This is what I do. Yeah, man. All right, so Matt got out of that. He's still in there short. Yeah, this dude is cool.
He's working himself into a good short.
Right. I'm telling you, man, these guys got some accounts. This thing just went up 40, 50 points. He just ate that. Just watch it come back down.
Watch it come back down. Well, dude, on Friday, it went against me like 65 points.
MNQ, though.
MNQ, yes. And then it came back 20, 30 plus points.
Down underneath.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
And I went and literally one of the accounts, it blew up based on 2 pennies.
Oh, man. And that's the
2
one you said they
cents.
gave you back.
And they gave me that one back.
Good stuff. And then the way I see it, that's it. You just, no fear.
Yeah.
If you're going to sit in it, then be ready to sit in it. But this dude just wrote out $1,200 drawdown, ate it, and now he's up.
Yeah.
He's up $35 so far. Let's see what happens if it slams this.
Yeah.
And then,
I kind of see, I'm looking at this as near of a new low, creating new support.
mm-hmm.
It's just taking time for that support to establish.
Right.
and then it's going to be a new floor for a bigger upward movement.
Yeah, I'm seeing possibly a fake out of a Head and Shoulders. We got left shoulder right there. That's the head right there. They're trying to make a right shoulder. Well, trap people and see if they're thinking it's gonna make a right shoulder.
Well, after the right shoulder, should it not go up?
Well, it should go down.
It should go down to complete the shoulder, but then after that, doesn't it bounce up?
Yeah, well, no, for the Head and Shoulder, then it's showing you that the whole uptrend might reverse. So what I see them, they trap the sellers with the pattern, and then just blast it through the right shoulder, and then it's over.
Okay.
So, just what I'm being wary of right now and watching. We got news in 5 minutes.
Okay.
And another in 35. This is budget balance. Well, no. This is Dallas Fed PCE. 35 minutes, we got the 3-month and 6-month bill auction. Then the FOMC member is going to speak again. So we just got to definitely be a little wary today.
Okay.
Because who knows what the hell this guy's going to say. More BS. Good stuff. He got our break even. That's pretty fire from being down $1,200.
Yeah.
We'll always take that. What a savage.
I rewatch your wick test video every day to remember your mustache. But like we'd still be just hanging out basically right at break even, if not just barely a drawdown. So see what this does. I mean, I think we flush this still, but I don't really want to be trading. We're up almost $400 on this morning session. It's almost 10 o'clock. I think I'm gonna call it here. Up 400 on the morning session, just shy of 400 on the morning session. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, which starts to enter the treble hour.
This is also why I watch this guy. I'm sitting here with $300 and I'm still looking for a trade. This guy's been doing it for years. He just got 400, close to 400. He's like, yeah, I'm good. I think I'm good too. I'm just gonna really call it there. What he just said, like that makes sense.
Yeah. That news is coming here in a minute or two, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, 3 minutes.
What time is it? I'm gonna get off 11:30 for something. Yeah, this is second entry long again. See what I mean? They wicked out the top of these bars here to make it look like this, right? See the wick here, top, you see the wick here, and they're blasting through it now a little bit. Let's see if it comes back down. Because once it passes here, once it passes here, it's no more this. But if it can't pass there, it's literally what this is right here. Good stuff, Matt. Thank you for that, my man.
I thought it was going to go up, but no, look at that.
Right, that's that head and shoulder pattern I'm telling you about right here.
Yeah.
Right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now let's see if it's a fake out.
Friedrich Nietzsche wrote something surprising. Zarathustra, a sage who's also the central character of the book, tells his followers to stop following him. He says, "Now go alone, my disciples. You too go now, alone. Thus I want it. I advise you, depart from me, and guard yourselves against Zarathustra. And better still, be ashamed of him. Perhaps he's deceived you." This is one of my favorite parts of the book. I found it surprising, but interesting, that the sage would tell his followers to be ashamed of him, abandon him, and mistrust him. Why would he do that? As usual, I'm going to explore this idea through a dialogue. A young student spent years searching for enlightenment. He traveled across many countries and lived among various groups of ascetics. But after years of searching,
30 minutes, my
he
boy.
found his quest to be fruitless.
Alright, let's also look
Finally,
up.
he gave up and decided to work on a farm. The farmer he worked with was a simple man. He didn't talk much, but when he did, he enjoyed a good philosophical debate with the student. At first, The student was open to debate, doubting much of what the farmer said, thinking he was similar to the other ascetics that the student had met in the past. But after some time, the young student sensed an immense wisdom and tranquility inside the farmer. He started to agree with the farmer more and more. The student's desire for enlightenment had returned, and so the student worked with the farmer for months, absorbing his knowledge. Eventually, the farmer noticed that the student had stopped debating with him, and the following conversation ensued. Farmer, I think it's time for you to leave. Student, leave? Why? Listen, when you first arrived here, we had many things to teach one another. We grew together and learned from each other.
Second entry
Mom
short.
was inquisitive.
What do you think?
Recently, you've begun to believe everything I say. You've gone from an inquirer to a believer.
It's a break.
And I
You
won't
get
bet
the
you
1
that to
minute.
yourself or to me. We're both better
Look
off
at this.
if you
Still
leave.
pushing up, bro.
But I came seeking the truth, and I
Still
found
pushing
it
up.
in you. The truth.
Yep. 1 minute to news.
Why would you send me away like this? How can you do that?
So we're out.
Let me show you something.
Just look how they've been making higher low, higher low, higher low, which is
the river nearby and the mountain.
we don't want to go short
You see
anymore.
an image of our farm.
Until this thing, alright, so we got a new high. This is the first entry long, right? This is gonna be a pullback. Until this thing comes up and give us a second entry long failure underneath the EMA, we don't go long. We don't go short.
Where we plant our carrots? No, you can't. Give it a few millennia. The river will dry up. The mountains will move. And this farm may be a city. You can't learn anything about the farm as it is. You can only see an image of it as it was at some point in time. See, a man's memory is like this map. It can capture a shadow of reality, and he can share that with you. But he can never give you the reality itself.
What do we got
A
stopped
man
out,
can
right?
give you his memories of the truth, but he can never give you the truth itself. He can tell you where the farm was,
This?
but you still have to verify it for
Watch
yourself.
that stuff.
If you want the truth as you say, there can be no intermediaries, no middleman. If there's a middleman, then he's the one you're following, not the truth. But what's wrong with following you? If you follow me, you live
tell
according
you,
to
right?
my
You
map.
don't follow
You'll
me,
live
follow
according to
yourself.
my map, and you'll never learn to construct your own. What if my map is wrong? Then you'll be lost with
Look at
me,
this. This is
and you
crazy.
won't be able to correct
They
it
brought it
because
up.
you never learned to
They
navigate
bring
on your
act
own.
like they're
And
bringing
if you
it
can
down
correct
now.
it, then we're no longer
Just to
able help each other.
wipe these either way they're wiping people out because these people got long here thinking alright, this is the bottom of the
Then we
range
can
now.
come together as friends.
Now there's people getting short here
We can
thinking alright, it's
compare
gonna
our
break
maps
out.
and help one another see reality
And here
as
comes
it
the
really
news
is.
in no time.
And when we both see reality
Yep,
as
here
it
comes
is,
the
we
news.
can journey through
It's not
together
big news, but
as equals. I
Right.
guess you're right. I'll start packing my
yeah, it's already happened. So
In a letter to his sister,
we're in the
Nietzsche,
middle of the news
if you
report.
wish to strive for peace of soul and pleasure, then believe. If you wish to be a devotee of truth,
Ash, I'm just sending you some stuff so I have them on my phone, okay?
Zarathustra tells his followers to leave him because they are still believers. He wants them to become inquirers. He doesn't want followers.
Right there, it's touching the EMA, isn't it?
He wants them to
At 90,
Yeah, it's underneath.
verify what he says for
it's underneath now. Yeah.
they arrive at the same
What
vision
one,
of
please?
reality. And if they arrive at the
Oh,
same
wow.
vision of reality, then they can be travelers in this world together. They can be equal. But if they simply believe what he says, then they become followers. Followers learn to follow someone else's path. By doing so, they lose a direct connection to reality. And if they lose a direct
Some
connection to reality,
location.
we all lose the value that comes from their own unique perspective. We lose the value of independent verification and the possibilities of someone correcting us.
They do that on purpose?
On the other hand,
Yeah, like,
make their own
there's
map
like
and maintain their
certain
connection to
hours or
reality.
certain whatever,
And
and
because of
bad
this,
people start growing toilet paper. It's
and
just,
in my
I think it's dirty.
Zero-
For what?
You guys want to go there.
For what?
It's a vibe to some people.
Anyways, I was gonna say to who?
Zarathustra tells his followers
If my house is dirty, I'm like, this is not a vibe.
he
Much
wants
less a
them to become
restaurant.
inquirers. He doesn't want followers. He doesn't want people to believe what he says. He wants them to doubt him, inquire, verify what he says for themselves,
Right.
and see if they arrive at the same vision of reality. And if they arrive at the same vision of reality,
This is
they
the
lose
last high, right?
direct connection
Went
to
up,
reality.
come back down, check
And if
it.
they
This is
lose
the last
direct
high.
connection
Went
to
up, come
reality,
back, check it
we
out
all
again.
lose the value
Now we have
that
new
comes
high,
from
first
our own
entry
unique
pullback,
perspective. We lose
second
the
entry
value
long
of
if this goes.
verification and
You
the
know, news I
possibility
know.
of
Yeah,
someone
we do have
correcting
news. Exactly.
But inquirers,
Just
on the other
monitoring.
hand, make their own maps and maintain their connection to reality.
So news came out.
They bring us actual value through their unique
Not yet.
perspective of the world. But at the end of the day,
11:03, it's still not out.
An understanding of Nietzsche's words, not advice. Feel free to use this information however you like. And if you have a different take on Nietzsche's words, I'd love to hear your perspective in the comments.
It is all perspective. Anything anybody ever tells you, anything anybody ever shows.
You may have heard me mention Brilliant before and how they help you learn science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. But they recently took the interactivity on their platform.
You know who we gotta watch? Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch.
Improve your move with Spectrum. Unpack the best entertainment with Spectrum TV and get a fast and reliable home connection from Spectrum Internet. Add a Spectrum mobile plan for even more savings. Reveal your best offer at spectrum.com/mover.
How much do you know about volume profile of the footprint? The stuff you see around you, the stuff that...
One of the most respected teachers and traders of all time wrote a book called Trading in the Zone.
That is a second entry long.
Psychological aspects of trading.
God damn.
There are 5 hours of a workshop he did on YouTube, and I will be reviewing it, showing you the most important clips, and adding to some of it with the knowledge
Didn't
I've
really
gained
touch
as a
the
senior in
EMA.
behavioral
We don't
science.
really like that.
It was recommended to me by KC over on my Instagram called I'm Trading Futures, who said it immediately changed the way he traded. Hi, how are ya? And let's get started.
Well, most people don't
Bang,
realize
bang.
that trading without fear is actually a learned trading skill.
Absolutely. In psychology and
10
in
minus
therapy,
holder.
the way to overcome fear is through systematic
So we have this high
desensitization,
right
which is
here,
the
this
fancy
high
way of
is
saying that
good.
we have to expose ourselves to that
So,
which we fear.
the Head and Shoulders did kind of play out just very aggressive, huh? Because they pushed up and then got slapped.
Trading. You just do it until it's not scary. There's really no easy way around it or some magical phrase I could say. I cover this more in depth in my Overcoming Fear and Anxiety videos.
And of course, you know, and just like most people who make money, their first trade or their second trade, it's about as easy as one could imagine, and therefore you think to yourself, oh my God, why didn't I learn about this a long time ago?
I don't know about you guys, but I specifically remember thinking to myself when I first started
Like,
that it was insane.
For me, the best thing about me for trading, unlike any job, is that I'm working on myself every day. You know? I have to get myself in the right mental. I have to get myself in. I have to get myself in the right mental every day. There's jobs that you could just get up and just rush out your house and you don't even know how you feel. You don't even check on yourself. You know? Not this. I am required. I'm literally required to make sure I'm in the right headspace. Which, that's, you know, like, what does the guy say? Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. We want to do that all the time. All the time. As I'm getting better at this, I'm getting better myself, right? You know, as a person, not just in trading, I'm getting better as a person.
You said you had 5 contracts? No, 2. Why don't you just take one off the table, let the other one run for another day?
First of all, Jerry, you're assuming that I knew that this was going to happen.
I love his response.
You didn't know that, Jerry. Roasted. Roasted. Like getting roasted out. Okay.
Our brains make it seem like events in the past were easily predictable or preventable.
That's the feeling of hindsight right there, you know? It happened already and now you're like, oh, why didn't you do this? Better. You never did it when you did live.
But that makes me feel a lot better about my $2,400 loss.
Most people who are experienced the boom and bust cycles, these are the bust cycles, would say that something happened in the market to cause this.
Nope.
What you're going to find out today is that it is not the case. Even though it may seem like it, it is not the case. These are virtually always the result of trading errors, what I call trading errors.
He refers to different types of traders.
people who aren't
20
consistent, who
minutes to take
experience
over.
normal losses, since no system is perfect. And you also have what he calls boom and busters, which I like a lot. I was a boom and buster. Up 1,400, and then a $2,400 loss to wipe it all. Boom and busters do well, so we'll have a trade that takes out all of their profits. I know a couple of you can relate to that.
So I took a long
Working with him, what I noticed is that
down there near the bottom,
Good stuff.
but I got scared out of it, so I profited only like $10.
Come on, man. Don't be
But
scared.
green is green, man.
Green is green. Don't be scared. You already in there.
That's right. I was already in it.
You already in there. What you scared of? You jumped.
Look at it jump down, man.
Oh man, that's what I mean. This freaking dudes.
I love this story.
They're trying to Halloween you out, man. Don't let them Halloween you.
Look at Matt Diamond. He trades from about 9:30 to 10, and sometimes a little longer. That's just 30 minutes a day. I also can talk about decision fatigue. I almost made a video for it about a month ago.
This guy trades for 30 minutes.
To the
Holy shit.
deteriorating quality of decisions made by an
Makes
individual
sense.
after
That's
a
when the
long
market
day,
moves. You
or
know, that's when we
slash
took our
and
trade.
after doing something
Yeah.
really intensive. For instance, judges in court have
gotta
been
have
shown to
some-
make poor
I personally like
decisions
trading
late in
only
the
like
day
for a
when
half
they
hour,
do
40
early in the
minutes.
day.
Yeah, me both. Then I take a little break.
Snagging just a couple
we can all recognize as factual.
Right.
It is crucial that we are aware of the impacts.
Dude,
of
especially during that time, the stuff moves so fast, you get it right.
Yeah.
You're good for the day.
Get worse as time goes on, and boredom and impulsive trades are one symptom of this fatigue. Often, the worst decisions that traders make will be much later.
I just got another long.
Good stuff, man.
We will take a trade after a long period of stagnation because
I see the VIX at 5 points, and I saw it surging up, and I'm like,
get restless, deviate from our plan.
but I could have stayed in it.
Yeah, man. Watch the VIX while you're in the trade.
Intensive makes the quality of our decisions
Yeah.
deteriorate, and trading is certainly intensive. Not everybody is capable of maintaining the ability to make logical decisions for several hours. If you are currently trading and have a trade log, you can actually check to see if there is a correlation between the time of day and your P&L. This way you can use actual data to determine your own
Big
personal
push.
conclusions.
Jeez.
It affects everybody differently.
Yeah.
Some people really are better off
Good
trading all
graphic
day,
design, yeah.
and some people are better at sticking to half an hour.
The Health Pro Plus by IQ Air. Our HiPA technology filters 99.5% of particles down to 0.003
Look at the trade we took.
microns, including viruses and bacteria.
Right here.
Super powerful,
Got out.
super effective, super
Boom.
Learn more at IQAir.com/US or call
Ooh, we got right
866
out. But again, that's our setup. Second entry long failure.
Some people say our trade-in process feels too easy. They can't believe it's 100% online.
So you really have to be focused.
Man, zoom in on my life.
Your mind just look deadly when you do that, brother.
Make an analogy, it's almost like there's a couple of analogies. One, it's like if you're in an NBA playoff, 1 minute left, the score is tied. The coach is going to send somebody in who's really focused. If the coach thinks you're distracted and you're not on your game, you think you're going to get in that game? This is the way to be in these kind of circumstances in the pit. That's the kind of mindset that you had to maintain.
Of course, today we have it much easier than trading in the pits. Pretty much from anywhere in the world.
Dude, that's why I told you we gotta watch that. You remember the Monday Minute of Circuit? Just yelling at each other? That's what we're doing right now. With none of them here. They're still yelling out their orders that from their house.
That is very misunderstood. You can't watch a show and write a paper at the same time, and this applies to any other activity that requires
Good stuff.
concentration. I will keep it really simple though, since I just want to briefly mention this.
Oh,
We have
man.
conscious and unconscious processes. You and I can hold a conversation with each other and tie our shoes at the same time. Why? Because we have tied our shoes so many times that it has become an unconscious process. We can do it automatically without devoting
So
any
you
mental
see,
energy to it.
see what I was saying about the fake out? See, this looks like a Head and Shoulders, right? Look how they brought it down like it was about to break the neckline. Boom. Take out all the stops right here. So, not really that at all, right? Just got him. Just got him. Yeah, just got him so viciously. So now I start changing my idea. I'm like, okay, maybe this is the top of the range. And then we've just been having a bunch of fake breakouts. Had a fake breakout here. Just watch it. It's coming
Break,
back.
fake breakouts to the top, T?
Yeah, it's been fake breaking back out of the bottom and the top. There was a fake breakout at like 11:02. Now this is a fake breakout. They literally broke out, came right back in it. I'm looking at it from the 229 to about 97. Just a little back and forth. We got the auction bills in like 14 minutes or so. I think that.
Okay. How many stars is that?
Those should be pretty big because those are the auction. Those are the bills. Yeah, it says 1 star, but these are all what the people are watching right now. Then right after that, FOMC member guys comes and talk.
Okay.
Dude, just so we know from now, the 7th of this month is supposed to be a very crazy trading day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be in Boston, but I'm taking my computer, so I'm gonna trade each day. To maybe just take 1 trade a day, just to get the trading day in.
Yeah, man, just hop in that well, you know you've been already rolling with the M&Qs. Hop in the M&Q, get in, get out.
Yeah.
Don't even, if you're not even gonna trade D, just don't even. You need to remember this. Huh? Do you put it right here too? Wanna put it right here? So you know. You gotta be weird that day. 2nd entry long. Right now.
Yeah, it's looking like a long right now.
Looking like a long.
Did I think they were like set it so that's if we broke past the 89?
5-minute chart is crazy. Oh, it's already gone.
Have you ever asked someone a question who was texting a message on their phone?
Right above
A lot of people don't even process that something has been said to them for
we
several
enter,
seconds.
like you said, 1 tick
Or
above,
they
right?
don't even respond
1 tick
until they're
below.
done
This
typing.
is us jumping.
It's something I find
Trader
hilarious.
we got
So next
already
time you see
moving.
someone who's really focused and texting something on their phone, ask them a complex question
It's in the
and
range
hopefully you
though,
get a
right?
funny reaction.
Look at the EMAs.
I'm saying this to reinforce
What
Mark's
do we do
message
when
about
we see that?
concentration. He's correct, and psychological
Now it-
research backs it up. You
After
can't
this,
watch
we
a
have
show while trading and
7
perform well
minutes.
while completely retaining what had happened on the show. People who watch shows while writing an essay take way longer to complete it, plus they won't even retain that much of what they watched. Multitasking is not a
Can
real
you turn
thing
that down a little
in the
bit,
sense
T?
that concentration cannot be split.
Yeah, D, we're just gonna get off, man. So have
Yeah.
a good rest of your day. Good stuff today.
Okay, man. Yeah.
All right.
I'm up, so it's all good.
Hell yeah, green days, baby.
Green days.
Later,
Okay,
man.
we'll see you tomorrow.
See you. You think so you can come tell me to turn on my things? You must be mad.
But writing an essay about what really changed
Is this guy okay?
between nature and humans from the Paleolithic to the Neolithic era cannot be efficiently accomplished while listening to heavy metal.
Alright, so good stuff today. We're up 290 with commissions. Let's get it. Let's get it. We out of here.